I don't understand why we're doing this. We barely know these people.
It's one day. Let's mix things up a bit.
Hi! You're just happy you found your fan club.
I've been waiting 6 years for your second book. Is it coming out soon?
I'm working on it.
What do you do for money then?
You married rich.
I actually came here looking for inspiration. Come on.
Mr. James Foster, you'll have to come with us.
Here, the punishment for any crime committed is death.
What did you say?
But for a significant sum, we'll build a double to send in for your execution.
Double. It looks just like me.
Oh my God.
Maybe think of it as a gift. It's like a new skin working into place. It's for you to complete your transformation.
This is just a little game.
But I can take some blood.
Yeah! Casey!
Show me how strong you are. It's really disgusting. You could just sit there and watch it happen.
You know, James, you worry they got the wrong man.